Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi 10 and I'll show you how to activate quick launch on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and scroll down to the additional settings. Now you'll see the gesture shortcuts, and here for example you can launch the camera with the double press on the power button, and also with the double press on the volume down button when your screen is locked. Now we will see this and we will check this function. Yes, as can you see, our camera is activated now, and now just we'll block the phone. You will tap double on the down volume button twice. Yes, as can you see, our camera is activated. Also, we will go back now, and also we can just turn on this function, and also we can by double press on the power button turn on the torch. Now we will check that. Yeah, as can you see, this function is activated now. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.